Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The evolution of global warehouse logistics is going to be discussed in this video. Every time a consumer clicks buy on an online order, a highly synchronized automated sequence is initiated to process the purchase within minutes. In the past, this fulfillment journey required human pickers to walk up to 15 miles per shift. They searched through endless aisles and racks. Today, that labor intensive approach is changing. Silently gliding squat, silver mobile robots now slide beneath heavy inventory shelves. They lift the entire rack and transport it directly to human pickers. This is the goods to person paradigm. It is completely transforming traditional logistics. It converts old fashioned low density storage spaces into high density software driven fulfillment hubs. By automating these repetitive steps, companies can drastically reduce worker fatigue and streamline their entire supply chains. This slideshow explores the rise of warehouse mobile robotics. We will examine the technology, the players, the massive global market, and the current geopolitical events reshaping logistics automation worldwide. Traditional logistics facilities face severe systematic challenges across major economies. There is an acute and worsening shortage of warehouse labor. Logistics operators simply cannot find enough workers to fill physically demanding roles. For example, the United States warehousing sector consistently experienced a vacancy rate of over 14%. This represents hundreds of thousands of open positions. Meanwhile, hourly wages and employed benefits continue to rise, driving up operational overhead. Beyond labor scarcity, human centric operations suffer from persistent picking errors. The average human picker makes mistake on up to 3% of orders. Processing those errors and handling customer returns is incredibly expensive. In contrast, automated systems bring extreme precision. They reduce error rates to tiny fractions of a percent. This labor and cost reality leaves businesses with a clear choice. They must adapt and automate, or they will fall behind in an increasingly competitive marketplace. To understand modern warehouse automation, we must distinguish between two primary mobile technologies. These are automated guided vehicles or AGVs and autonomous mobile robots known as AMRs. AGVs are the older technology, they act like trains on invisible tracks. They require fixed floor infrastructure such as magnetic tape, wires, or embedded rails. If an AGV encounters an unexpected obstacle, it simply stops and waits. AMRs, however, are truly autonomous. They navigate using onboard computer brains, diffuse data from radar cameras, ultrasonic sensors to build live maps of their surroundings. This allows AMRs to navigate freely without expensive floor alterations. When an AMR encounters a human or a forklift, it does not stop and instead, it dynamically calculates a safe path around the obstruction. This extreme flexibility makes AMRs perfect for modern, fast changing retail environments where layouts change frequently. The adoption of warehouse robotics is no longer an experimental pilot program. It is now a global mainstream trend. Market analysis analysts value the global warehouse robotics sector at several billion dollars. It is projected to experience spectacular growth. For instance, some reports predict the market will expand at a compound annual growth rate of over 15%. This will propel the sector to over $32 billion in coming years. This explosive growth is fueled by two durable trends. First, e commerce volumes continue to expand. Consumers expect rapid same day delivery. Second, the cost of robotic hardware is declining. Advanced sensors and batteries are cheaper than ever. At the same time, the rise of subscription based pricing models lowers upfront investment. These factors combine to create a perfect environment for rapid, widespread adoption across retail, manufacturing, and third party logistics. Within the mobile robotics sector, one specific paradigm stands out as the dominant strategy, that is the goods to person or G2P AMR system. In traditional manual warehousing, workers walk up to 15 miles per shift. They spend up to 70% of their time traveling. G2P systems completely invert this old workflow. Instead of human walking to the shelf, the robotic platforms lifts the shelf and carries it to the worker. Stationary operations can pick items continuously. This eliminates travel time and boosts pick rate by 3 to 5%. Additionally, G2P layouts do not require wide aisles for human driven forklifts. Shelves can be packed tightly together. This doubles the inventory storage density of the building. By maximizing both picking speed and physical space utilization, G2P system offer an incredibly rapid return on investment. At the forefront of this global robotics revolution is Geek Plus, commonly known as Geek Plus. Founded in 2015, the company has grown at a remarkable pace. It has established itself as the undisputed world leader in autonomous mobile robots. Geek Plus achieved this global scale by building a highly flexible product portfolio. In 2025, the company completed a major milestone by listing on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Today, G Plus maintains the top market share spot in the warehouse fulfillment AMR industry. The company has successfully developed tens of thousands of robots across than 40 countries. Its client based includes major retail, apparel, and third party logistics brands. By establishing a massive international distribution network of over 50 integrators, Geek Plus has made advanced robotic automation accessible to warehouse of virtually all sizes worldwide. Geek Plus global success is built upon a highly standardized technology architecture. The system separates hardware development from software orchestration. At the hardware foundation sits Robot Matrix. This is a proprietary modular general technology platform. It integrates master controllers, motors, and battery management into a unified chassis. Geek Plus can quickly customize this single assist to perform different tasks. It can become a shelf lifter, a sorting platform, or a heavy material transporter. Controlling this hardware is the Geek Plus software suite. It includes the warehouse execution system, the robot management system, and the intelligent operations platform. Finally, the system utilizes Hyperplus core algorithms. These advanced AI algorithms coordinate the movements of the hundreds of robots. They calculate the most efficient collision free paths in the real time. This ensures maximum operational flow and prevents traffic congestion on the busy warehouse floors. The, the standard shelf to person system is Geek Plus's most famous and worldwide deployed solution. This system utilizes the P series robots such as P500 and the P800 models. These ultra low profile wheeled platforms are designed to glide silently under specially designed inventory shelves. Once positioned, they engage a vertical jacking mechanism. This lifts the entire rack slightly off the floor. The AMR then transport the rack to an ergonomic workstation. The worker picks the required items and places them in order boxes. When finished, the AMR carries the rack back to a storage spot. These machines operate with incredible speed and endurance. P series robots reach top speeds of 4.5 meters per second. They can work continuously for over 8 hours under rated payloads. Most importantly, the system eliminates human travel time and achieves a near perfect picking accuracy of 99.99%. For warehouses that manage a vast variety of small items, storage density is the top priority. To solve this, Geek Plus developed the robot shuttle system. This taught to person solution utilizes tall RS series robots. These machines feature tall vertical columns equipped with double forked retrieval arms. Unlike standard rolling AMRs, RoboShuttle robots can reach heights of up to 11 meters. They drive down narrow racking aisles and retrieve individual totes directly from highly bay shelves. The robots retrieve multiple totes on a single run and transfer them to standard P series robots. Those P series robots then ferry the totes to picking stations. This hybrid setup maximizes vertical space utilization. It is ideal for industries like fashion, retail, electronics, and pharmaceuticals. In these sectors, facilities must store hundreds of thousands of different SKUs in a compact, organized footprint. When warehouse must handle heavy palletized material alongside standard individual items, they require the SkyCube system. This pallet to person solution is designed for heavy duty industrial storage. SkyCube combines an automated storage structure with rolling ground robots. In the upper levels of the racking structure, X series four-way shuttles glide along rails. They store and retrieve entire pallets at height of up to 21 meters. This utilizes the full vertical clearance of the building. When a pallet is needed for picking, the shuttle delivers it to a vertical lift. The lift lowers the pallet to the ground. There, a ground level AMR such as heavy P1200 or P800 retrieves the pallet and carries it to an operator. This unified system supports both bulk wholesale fulfillment and detailed single item consumer shipping in a single high density footprint. It completely eliminates forklift accidents and reduces labor intensity while doubling usable space. E-commerce distribution hubs and postal couriers handle a relentless stream of outgoing parcels. They require rapid, flexible sortation. Geek Plus addresses this with its Fleet Sort solution. This intelligent sorting system utilizes the S series robots such as S20C models. These compact agile platforms are designed to transform individual packages. They roll beneath induction stations where workers place a parcel onto the robot. The AMR scans the parcel barcode and receives its destination gauge. It then glides across a flat floor toward the correct traditional sorting systems require expensive, permanent steel platforms. Fleet Sort operates at ground level with no fixed infrastructure. This makes it incredibly easy to install and expand. Companies can scale up sorting operations simply by adding more S series robots to the floor during peak seasons, boosting parcel throughput up to 10 times without heavy construction. Beyond warehouse picking and sorting, industrial factories require flexible material transport. Geeks Plus smart moving solutions automate these transit tasks. This segment utilizes the M series latent mobile robots and the F series autonomous forklifts. The M series robots specialize in moving components and work in progress materials. They support bins between assembly stations, ensuring a lean flow of goods. For heavier lifting, the F series autonomous forklifts automate pallet storage and retrieval. These smart forklifts handle loads of up to 2 tons. They lift materials to heights of up to 3 meters with centimeter level precision to ensure safety in active industrial environments. These machines are equipped with advanced safety systems. They feature 360-degree lidar safety bumpers, and emergency stop buttons. This allows them to work safely alongside factory employees and manual vehicles, reducing workplace accidents while boosting general logistics throughput. To see these robotic systems in action, we can examine real world deployments. A primary example is Next PLC, a leading clothing and home retailer in the United Kingdom. Next faced a deepened labor shortage and a weak productivity growth. To address this, they partnered with Geek Plus and integrator Motion Tech. At Next, Dearne Valley Pellet Fulfillment Center, they deployed a hybrid fleet of 250 AMRs. This fleet handles both sorting and picking operations. The AI driven system calculates the most efficient travel paths. It guides the robots to retrieve items and process customer orders. Today, the facility successfully processes over 16,000 products daily. This automation has supported rapid same day delivery even during peak sales seasons. Most importantly, Next experienced a spectacular 2 times boost in overall warehouse operational productivity, proving the massive business case for collaborative fleets. Another major British retailer, Asta Logistics Services, achieved outstanding success using Geeks sorts sorting technology. Asda experienced a massive returns volume through its Asda 2U service. To manage this peak demand, Asda partnered with Geek Plus and AMH Material Handling. They deployed a fleet of 60 S20C intelligent sorting robots at Asda's National Sortation Centre in the West Yorkshire. These agile AMRs work alongside human colleagues. They transfer incoming parcels from workstations directly to outbound cages. This setup allows Asda to process up to 2,000 parcels per hour. The robotic deployment has achieved an outstanding sorting accuracy of 99.99% because the system does not require a fixed overhead platform. Asda can scale operations easily as their business grows. They can adjust the number of robots and destination cages on demand. Fulfillment speed is a critical competitive differentiator in online retail. THG Fulfill, a major UK based courier management company, proved that this at its Omega facility, located in Warrington. The facility integrated a fleet of Geek Plus AMRs into its existing automation setup. These versatile mobile robots manage the transit of palletized items of all sizes. They transport products across the warehouse floor to speed up picking. By utilizing these AMRs, TAG successfully reduced risk and complexity in its operations. This boost in efficiency allowed them to offer a late night next day delivery cut off service. Customers can order products as late as 1 a.m. and still receive them the next day. This seller operational capability has allowed THG Fulfill to provide exceptional service to major brands including Aspa and Look Fantastic without manual bottlenecks or shipping delays. In the manufacturing sector, lean material flow is vital to keep production lines running smoothly. Shanghai Siemens Switchgear Co. Limited achieved this by partnering with Geek Plus. In a phased rollout, Siemens upgraded its flexible intelligent factory with four types of Geek Plus robots. The multi-robot cluster solution automates the entire logistics chain. This includes raw material receiving in-store stock management and production line feeding. Geeks Plus MP1000 or robots deliver materials for circuit breakers based on real-time assembly demands. This precision logistics model reduced the space required next to production lines by half. The factory's delivery accuracy reached an incredible 100%. Furthermore, the automated solution allowed Siemens to save over 40 manual labor positions, significantly lowered manufacturing operational costs while ensuring continuous uninterrupted production across complex and dynamic manufacturing floors. To move safely and efficiently, warehouse robots must navigate with extreme precision. The most common and cost effective navigation method is the QR code visual grid. In G2P zones where human foot traffic is restricted, a grid of QR codes is laid on the floor. Downward facing cameras on the AMRs scan these labels in real time. This allows the robots to track their exact location. The physical labels are typically compact PVC plates secured with heavy duty adhesive. They are highly resistant to water, dust, and wear. They remain fully readable even if up to 30% of the surface is scratched or covered in dust. This navigation method provides a high positioning accuracy of 5 millimeters. This precision is essential to prevent tracking errors when AMRs carry heavy payloads of up to 1,200 kilograms. While QR codes are excellent for structured zones, they are difficult to maintain in heavy traffic environments. In dynamic human machine mixed spaces, Geek Plus utilizes SLAM navigation. SLAM stands for Simultaneous Localization and Mapping. This advanced technology allows robots to navigate without physical floor markers. Instead, the AMR uses its onboard LiDAR and 3D cameras to scan the surrounding environment. It identifies natural landmarks such as walls, pillars, and racking columns to calculate its position in real time. This gives the robot extreme flexibility. If a factory layout changes or a production line is adjusted, and engineers do not need to lay new floor grids or paint magnetic lines. They simply update the digital map in the software suite. This makes SLAM navigation the ideal choice for active manufacturing zones and busy shipping docks. Industrial factory floors are incredibly challenging environments for robotic sensors. Surroundings change constantly as materials are moved and employees walk by. To maintain precise positioning, Geek Plus AMRs employ a closely integrated multi-sensor framework. A high-speed processor fuses real-time inputs from LiDAR, 3D cameras, inertial measurement units, and wheel encoders. This sensor fusion is synchronized down to the microsecond. Additionally, rotating LiDAR sensors can experience scan distortion when the AMR moves at high speeds. Geeks Plus SAM algorithm resolves this by using IMU and wheel speed. Furthermore, the mapping software uses sliding window, bundle adjustment, and marginalization. This allows the robot to automatically filter out temporary obstacle. It maintains trajectory accuracy over months of active floor runs, ensuring stable operation even when environmental layouts change constantly. To build high quality AMRs at scale, Geek Plus constructed a groundbreaking manufacturing facility in Nanjing. This is the world's first smart factory where robots manufacture robots. The Nanjing facility replaces traditional static conveyor assembly lines with a flexible island production mode. In this setup, autonomous mobile robots carry components between decentralized assembly stations, robotic arms, automatic tightening machines, and smart cameras work in sync to assemble new robots. This flexible model allows G-Class to quickly adapt to customization requests and shorter product life cycles. It also doubles the factory's production capacity compared to traditional manual lines, reaching an annual capacity of over 10,000 units per shift. The Nanjing Smart factories serve as a brilliant showcase. It proves the value of mobile robotics by applying the technology directly to geeks own volume manufacturing processes. Operating a fully automated factory requires a powerful integrated software backbone. The Nanjing facility utilizes the Geek Plus production logistics management system. This system unifies the management of inventory, storage, and active production lines. It connects the warehouse area with the assembly zone to ensure a seamless flow of parts. To coordinate this complex process, the facility leverages industrial IoT sensors and high speed 5G wireless connectivity. This enables real time machine to machine communication across the board. Combined with edge computing, the local manufacturing execution system can control robotic movements with minimal latency. This digital network ensures that materials are delivered to assembly islands precisely when needed. The smart operating software automatically manages inventory layouts, optimization constraints, and shelf feed parameters in real time. This unifies diverse fleets into a single cohesive manufacturing flow. Beyond boosting production volume, the automated systems at the Nanjing facility ensure exceptional quality control. Human assembly lines are vulnerable to fatigue and physical errors. The robotic assembly islands execute tasks with absolute repeatable precision. This high accuracy has allowed the factory to achieve a straight through assembly pass rate exceeding 98%. This minimizes the need for manual rework and product repairs. Additionally, the integrated software provides full digital tracking. It achieves an outstanding material traceability level of the 95%. Every single component and new AMR is recorded and tracked. This deep data transparency optimizes inventory management, it reduces waste and lowers the factory's overall management overhead cost. It is customizable to automobile OEMs, auto part factories, and 3C electronics factories, providing the concrete business cases for complete industrial automation in modern manufacturing environments. While Nanjing focuses on flexible assembly technology, the Hefei facility serves as Geek's primary center for volume production and global export preparation. This massive base builds and tests thousands of AMRs before shipping them overseas. To align with modern sustainability goals, the Hefei facility operates under a comprehensive ESG program. The factory integrates solar photovoltaic technology on its roof. This allows the facility to achieve 100% clean renewable energy using during daytime production hours. To reduce material waste, geeks and engineers have standardized their designs. They achieved over 80% classic parts reuse across different robot models. Standardized robots drive directly into the factory's calibration area. They undergo final parameter setup visual inspection and severe environmental simulation testing under load before unboxing and international shipment, establishing a new global benchmark for the sustainable green logistics. While the technology matures, the international robotics market is facing sudden geopolitical challenges. On July 28, 2026, the landscape changed significantly under Public Notice DA 26786. The United States Federal Communication Commission added foreign produced advanced robotic devices to its covered list. This regulatory action restricts the import, marketing, and sale of new robotic models that do not already hold an FCC equipment authorization. This decision occurred under active WC docket number 1889, ET docket number 21232, and EA docket number 21/233. The interagency body identified two primary risks. First, they cited supply chain vulnerabilities that could disrupt US critical infrastructure. Second, they raised cybersecurity concerns. Nothing that network growth. Connected ground robots collect sensitive spatial data, camera feeds, and facility layouts. This regulatory shift represents a concerted effort by the US administration to secure its logistics networks, protect privacy, and encourage domestic manufacturing. To understand the impact of this regulation, we must examine its precise technical definition. The FCC covered list update is far wider than humanoid robots. It applies to any ground based mobile device that meets a specific set of threshold. First, the combined weight of the robot and its docking station must exceed 4.4 pounds or roughly 2 kilograms. Second, the device must contain environmental sensors and navigation software. Third, it must possess a component providing network connectivity of at least 200 kilobits per second. This includes wired Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular connections. This technical definition comfortably captures almost every autonomous mobile robot used in the warehouse logistics. While the FCC regulation is broad, it contains several important exclusions that protect specific industries. The legal definition never turns on human shape, it focuses strictly on mobile ground autonomy. Consequently, fixed stationary industrial robotic arms are explicitly excluded. This includes multi-axis articulating SCARA and gantry arms bolted to factory floors. Medical devices regulated under separate health and safety acts are also exempt. This includes surgical robotic systems, prostheses, and powered wheelchairs. Furthermore, unnamed aerial vehicles and drones are not covered as they are regulated under separate restrictions. Finally, standard connected road vehicles and trains are excluded. If your automation is a bolted down arm on production line, this rule does not touch it. For new uncertified foreign robot models, there is only one path back into the United States market. The determinations built in an administrative escape hatch called conditional approval, and any entity involved in producing the device, including OEMs and contract manufacturers, can apply. However, this is not a simple administrative exercise. The application process is highly onerous and complex. It requires applicants to submit an exhaustive component level bill of materials. It also includes a section evaluating the vendor's plan to onshore their manufacturing. To receive approval, companies must demonstrate clear plans to move assembly operations onto United States soil. Applications are emailed to conditional approvals at fcc.government, which then forwards the package to the Department of War for a formal national security review. This transition plan requires deep structural changes to global logistics, supply chain, and manufacturing investments. The FCC import restrictions are accelerating a major decoupling of global robotics supply chain because the regulation is determined by the country of production rather than the manufacturer's corporate nationality. It impacts any foreign assembled hardware. This trade barrier has effectively closed the US market to many new rapid iteration models. Consequently, Chinese robotics exporters are redirecting their sales efforts. They are focusing heavily on markets without equivalent trade restrictions, primarily the United Kingdom and continental Europe, while the US focuses on supply chain security and reshoring. British and European retailers are actively embracing these cost competitive systems. As mobile robots become more advanced, they capture massive amounts of sensitive information. They gather continuous video footage, spatial layout data, and detailed maps of commercial facilities. This data density raises concern about cyber vulnerabilities and data sovereignty. To protect the client data in sensitive commercial environments, robotics manufacturers must prioritize robust security. Geek Plus addresses this by operating an information security management system certified to the strict ISO IEC 2701 2022 international standard. This compliance framework provides enterprise grade protection across all operational domains. It requires network communication, prevents application exploits, and protects cloud storage. As we look to the future, warehouse operators must design flexible, resilient automation strategies to navigate the current geopolitical division. Global companies should adopt regionalized procurement policies. In the United States, warehouse projects should prioritize domestic manufacturers or foreign designed brands that assemble their machine locally. This avoids potential FCC equipment authorization delays. Commercial operations in the UK and Europe can continue to leverage global manufacturing centers to manage capital costs. Furthermore, system engineers should prioritize hybrid navigation architectures combining SLAM for flexible long distance transit with QR code grids and workstations ensure high precision docking and long term operational adaptability. To deploy these systems quickly, layout crews can use high precision layout robots such as the HP side print. This tool prints thousands of exact floor markings in days, granting perfect spatial tracking. This structural reacceleration helps warehouses overcome high labor inflation rates. Thank you very much.